Hi there, hope you are doing good. So here I am with an update. So this is basically a Google Sheet automation through which we will be generating a certificate. So the details you just shared with me, let me open this. So I have to build a new template for my own, and I have used the folder you shared. Let me try opening the. All right. So the zip folder you shared with me with the PDF. What I did, I took the each and every content out of it, and as you can see, I have to build my own format. So I have kept this as a format, which is the certificate, and then I pull together all in each and every uh, part of it. Let me show you this. These are groups. You can see all of these are groups, and I have to combine those with each other so that I can create a template that can be used in the final template, which is here. And then I have created a sheet. So this is the sheet where we are using the SQs. First of all, initially I was selecting only one SQ. You can either select one SQ or multiple SQs if you want to generate the certificate for multiple certificates you want to generate. So you just need to select multiple SQs which are in here. So for that, what we need a list of all the SQs which we have already built in COI management program, and we have a list of images as well through our document. So we can always pull that data from there, from that sheet, and this is what I'm doing. So these are the two columns. Rest of the columns which are required for the to build the um, certificate, we need the variety against the SQ, breeder, born in, size in a particular format, whatever the format you have, and then the ID. So none of these are available. So what I did, I created a random numbers like V1, V2, V3 are variety. Breeder 1, 2, 3, 4 are the breeders. IDs are random numbers, sizes are random numbers, and born in are set random numbers. So all of these are arbitrary data except the SQs. And then I'm creating a list of the image so that I can use that image into the certificate. Once everything is done, um, you have to select the multiple whatever the SQs you would like to create a certificate for which we have to have the available the details. So we need a sheet. I need a sheet with all of these entries against SQs. Let me read those. So these are the required fields against SQs so that we can pull those accordingly and create the certificate. So now, and then I obviously it's a long story. It took me a while to compile everything and shape in a working set of things. So once you have selected the SQ, you just need to click this button and this folder will start generating the um, certificates. So let me show you. So if I click on this button, create certificates, you will see a status update will be coming in here soon so that those certificates, it will mark, okay, this SQ certificate has been generated on a particular time. As you can see, this is here. So this is the variety, then underscore, sorry, this is the SQ, then variety, then the breeder name, then the ID of the COE, and then the date with the timestamp. So it's 3:46:13 here, my time, and let me open this, and you can see it's a horizontal, uh, in image in a horizontal way. So you can see it's in a middle with the vertical alignment. It's in middle, and in the horizontal alignment, it's also in middle. So let me open the second one. It's a vertical one, and you can see it's perfectly aligned from the center and top and bottom. So the center, the top and bottom is basically from row 1 to the date of issue. We are not using the signatures. And then let me open another. So these kind of templates takes a bit while because you can see it's an empty page in here. I need to fix that. So there must be an empty space. So these kind of tasks sometimes take more than the anticipated time. And then you message me that there are multiple certificates. So those are going to take a bit while to create an editable version so that I can add multiple entries in it. Okay. It's not showing the dates. Let me fix that and regenerate the PDFs. All right, so I've just modified it as you can see, the PDFs are generated. And if I want to generate again, I'll delete these just to show you. I'll delete the status so that it can run the automation again. And then I need to click this button, generate certificates. And it should start generating the certificates in here. So it seems that the course certificate, yeah, it should start. So first one is here. There should be some details. Yeah, here it is. So variety is B4, breeder is B4, 2023. This is the approximate size in centimeters and inches. ID is 53, July is 20. So I have kept the same format, whatever the format you had earlier. Refresh. Maybe I'm recording the video. This is why it's becoming a bit slow. So let's see. This is the second one with all the details in there. And this time no extra pages in that one. No extra pages in this one too, only one page. So yeah, it's going to take a bit while to create the other PDF formats. So appreciate if you can tell me exactly which format to follow and which format is being used for, like, I don't know, what are the kinds of the certificates you are creating. What I need to do, I need to create another column in here so that you can select which kind of certificate you want to generate for a breeder, or maybe I think something else if there is another type of certificate. So please guide me on that so that I can complete this as soon as I can. But yeah, I just like to remind you that it's not a simple thing, and it takes a bit while when you are dealing with the sheet, doc, template images, and then sizing the images is very critical as well. So let me see what. Okay, my PC is stuck. Okay, so that is it from my side. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.